Welcome to everyone. This week's video will cover the big trends for the weeks of August 14, 2023. Before we start, make sure you read carefully the disclaimer. The last Bitcoin update was on July 10. During this update, on a longer picture, the monthly chart, we have an upside potential target at 32,700. On a short-term picture, we have two options where to place the 20-week cycle low. To have more details on these two options, please go back to this video update. I personally placed the 20-week cycle low on June 15. During this update, we expect a 40-day low between July 17 and July 20. Before we go further, if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell to don't miss the next video. Let's see what's happened since and what we can expect for the next few weeks. Let's start with the 10-day cycle. The last 10-day cycle occurred on August 7 with the low at 28,671. The next one is expected today or tomorrow, and the next one on August 15. Since the last update, we have a three signal with the cycle line. The first one on July 10, when the market crossed above its cycle line at 30,559 for a potential target 31,340. With a high of 31,814, the July 13 high met its target. The next day, on July 14, the market closed back below its cycle line and generating a downside target at 28,697. On August 7, with the low at 28,671, the market met its target. The third signal was on August 8, with a crossing above 29,160 for a potential target at 29,746. On the same day, the market met its target with a high of 31,210. The success rate for the 10-day cycle is 82.35%. The 20-day cycle. The last 20-day cycle occurred on August 1st. Since the last update, we have two signals with the cycle line. The first one on July 14, when the market crossed below its cycle line at 30,774 for a potential target at 30,048, the market met its target the same day, and the market kept moving down until August 1st and making a low at 28,756. The next signal was on August 8th for a potential upside target at 29,989. The same day, the market made a high at 31,210, meeting its target. The success rate for this cycle is 91.67%. The next 10-day cycle low is scheduled around August 17 on a yellow on the chart. Technically, this 20-day cycle low should conclude the 40-day cycle, which is scheduled a few days later. The 40-day cycle. The last update, we expect the previous 40-day cycle bottom between July 17 and 20. The cycle made a low on July 18. Right on the expected range. The next 40-day cycle is scheduled on around August 27 in yellow on the chart. Since the last update, we have a new signal with the cycle line. The Bitcoin crossed below its cycle line on July 14 at 30,485 for a potential target at 29,155. On July 24th, the target has been met. The success rate for the 40-day cycle is 66.67%. After the 40-day cycle bottom in the third week of August, the market should rally. There is a high probability at that time the market will cross above this cycle line, providing an upside potential target. The 80-day cycle. On July 23rd, the market closed below the 40 days cycle uptrend line, the dashed line on the chart, confirming the July 13 high at 31,814 is the 80-day cycle peak. This is the first 80-day cycle since the last 20-week cycle low on June 15. To complete another 20 weeks, we need two 80-day cycles. This 80-day cycle is expected to end around August 22nd, at the same time than the 20 and the 40 days. On July 30, the market closed below its cycle line for a potential target at 27,205. The success rate for the 80-day cycle is 100%. This 80-day cycle is an important cycle to follow because if the market meets its target, this will be slightly below the 80-day cycle uptrend line. This 20-week cycle for the implication. If the market do not meet its target, this will be bullish for the short term. In this case, we may see the market cross above its cycle line. The 20-week cycle. As mentioned at the beginning of this update, the last 20-week cycle low was on June 15. Since that low, the market crossed above its cycle line on June 19 for a potential target at 31,217. On the week of July 10, the market met its target with a high of 31,840. The success rate for this cycle is 66.67%. What next for this cycle? We have to follow carefully in the next few weeks the market reaction with this cycle line. Because if the market crosses below it in the next few weeks, then it will be a bearish sign. This will confirm the 31,814 high is a present 20-week cycle peak. And if this is correct, then the peak occurs with the left translation. This happens on the left side of the cycle. And this is a bearish sign. The cycle line for this week is right there. And the potential target is the market cross below cycle line is right there, 23,192. The cycle line for the next 3 weeks will be 26,383, 25,783, and 28,851. Another two to keep an eye on too is the uptrend channel from the October-November 2022 low. See the 40-week cycle analysis. This 20-week cycle is scheduled to end on the third week of October. We are now in the second and the last 40-week cycle to complete the 18-month cycle, which starts in November 2022. We are now at an important point. The market is very close to its cycle line and its 40 weeks uptrend line. If the market crosses below its cycle line this week, here the cycle line and the potential target, without making the new high, this will be very bearish for the market, and we can expect a decline up to the mid-March 2024 when this 40 weeks low should occur. The reason is because the peak occurs on the left side of the cycle, which we call that a left translation. But if the market makes a higher high than 31,814 after the October 21st or 28th, then the market will be less bearish than the above option, because this will happen on the right part of the cycle and it's called the right translation. In conclusion, we can expect an intermediate low for the third weeks of August, the first 80-day cycle low of the present 20-week cycle, which is scheduled for the third weeks of October. This is the end of this week's video. Thank you for following me. Next week, I will publish another market update. The 40-week cycle. The last 40-week cycle occurred on June 15.